Hi students, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are preparing well for your geography exam. In the previous video, I discussed some important differentiate between questions from the chapter climate for class 10 ICSE. वो वीडियो ज़रूर check कर लेना. In this video, I will be discussing the most important part of the chapter, that is reasoning based questions from the chapter climate. As you all know, climate में बहुत सारे reasoning based questions हैं, which are of course easy because reasoning based questions तो application based होता है, and if you have understood the chapter, रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. सो एनीवेज आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ लिस्ट ऑफ सम इंपॉर्टेंट रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. सो दीज आर माय हैंड रिटन नोट्स. ओके, सो आई विल रीड आउट दीज नोट्स. सो आई होप दीज नोट्स विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर योर लास्ट मिनट रिविजन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नागपुर एंड मुंबई लाई ऑन द सेम लैटिट्यूड बट नागपुर इज कूलर इन विंटर. नाउ इसका आंसर है नागपुर इज फार्दर फ्रॉम द सी and Nagpur is farther from the sea and hence does not experience the moderating influence of the sea. Hence Nagpur during summer is very hot and dry and in winters it is chilly. Mumbai is on the coastal area, hence it experiences moderating influence of the sea. Okay. Second question, Ooty is cool even in May. और इसी क्वेश्चन को ट्विस्ट करके ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं, माउंटेन्स आर कूलर दैन प्लेन्स, और ऊटी हैज़ लोअर टेम्परेचर दैन कोची, और शिमला कूलर इन समर्स दैन आगरा. ठीक है, सो ये क्वेश्चंस कैसे भी आए इसका आंसर सेम है, बस जगह का नाम चेंज करना है. ऊटी और शिमला है तो ऊटी को चेंज करके राइट शिमला. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द आंसर. ऊटी लाइज एट अ हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड एंड हेंस देयर इज अ डिक्रीज ऑफ 1 degree C फॉर एवरी 166 मीटर इंक्रीज इन हाइट, दैट इज नॉर्मल लैप्स रेट. सो ड्यू टू दिस डिक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर एंड देन क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना, ऊटी इज कूल इवन इन मे. ओके. Next question, Central Karnataka gets less rainfall. Why? It lies on the leeward side of the Western Ghats, which block the southwest monsoon winds and bring heavy rain to the western coast. Okay, so this is the reason. Next question, Punjab has a short monsoon season. Reason for this is Punjab lies in the interior part of India. Punjab, that is Haryana, experience continental type of climate as they are located far away from the sea. Both Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea branches reach Punjab but take some time to reach there by mid-July, and by end of August the sun migrates to the equator and the low pressure in North India weakens. Slowly the winds begin to withdraw, thus they reach Punjab last and withdraw early. Hence Punjab experiences short rainy season. I hope it's clear. Next question है, Cherrapunji Masinram gets heavier rain than Shillong, Guwahati, Dispur. इनमें से कोई भी एक जगह दे सकते हैं. So whether they give you Shillong, Guwahati, Dispur, you have to write the same answer. Okay. Now Cherrapunji lies on the windward side of the Garo Khasi Jaintia hills and hence receives rainfall from the Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon winds. Shillong lies on the leeward side of the Khasi hills and hence receives less rainfall being in the rain shadow area. So बहुत easy है, चेरापूंजी में heavy rainfall होता है than Shillong. So क्या लिखना है, चेरापूंजी lies on the windward side of the Garo Khasi Jaintia hills and hence receives rainfall from the Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon winds. And Shillong कहाँ पे लाई करता है, it lies on the leeward side of the Khasi hills and hence receives less rainfall being in the rain shadow area. Okay, now next is Coromandel coast receives rain in December, that is winter rainfall होता है Coromandel coast में. So then and किसके वजह से, नॉर्थ ईस्ट मानसून विंड्स के वजह से Coromandel coast में rainfall होता है. Now the northeast monsoon winds blow along the Ganga plains from northeast to southwest as cold dry winds. When they enter Bay of Bengal, they pick up moisture and deposit the moisture along the Coromandel coast. They lie on the leeward side of Western Ghats and hence no rainfall in summer due to southwest monsoon. Okay, so एक और बार I'll read out the answer. The northeast monsoon winds blow along the Ganga plains from northeast to southwest as cold, dry winds. When they enter Bay of Bengal, they pick up moisture and deposit the moisture along the Coromandel coast. They lie on the leeward side of the Western Ghats and hence no rainfall in summer due to southwest monsoon. Okay, and coastal Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Coromandel coast, they all lie on the east coast of India. ठीक है, so इनमें से if they say Coromandel coast के जगह if they give you coastal Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, so you have to write the same answer. So that's why I've written this important point here. Next question is, Coromandel coast receives no rain from the Bay of Bengal branch in June. The coast lies almost parallel to the direction of Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon. Also, there are no tall hills to block the winds if they reach the coast. ठीक है? So Bay of Bengal branch के parallelly lie करता है. The Coromandel coast lies parallel to the direction of Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon. ठीक है? Also, there are no tall hills to block the winds if they reach the coast. So next question है, the Malabar coast receives rain earlier than the Konkan coast. Since it lies to the south, the Malabar coast faces the southwest monsoon winds, that is southwest monsoon winds कहाँ से आता है? Arabian Sea branch, earlier than the Konkan coast that lies to the north. ठीक है? So it lies to the south, therefore the Malabar coast faces the southwest monsoon winds earlier than the Konkan coast that lies to the north. Next question है, Delhi, or they can give you Agra instead of Delhi, gets less rain than Patna. Now इसका आंसर है, both cities get rain from the Bay of Bengal branch, but the winds reach Patna in lower Ganga valley first than Delhi, which lies in the interior. The moisture bearing capacity of the winds is considerably reduced by the time they reach Delhi, resulting in low rainfall. तो इसके लिए दिल्ली में less rainfall होता है than Patna. Next question, the annual range of temperature in Kerala is very low. Now the answer for this is, Kerala lies at a low latitude and hence has very little difference in summer and winter temperature. Kerala has a coastal location, hence maritime effect leads to low annual range of temperature. Next question, low pressure systems that develop in the Bay of Bengal in August-September affect the monsoons. So इसका आंसर है, low pressure systems attract the monsoon winds and result in a break in the monsoons for a few days, resulting in a brief dry spell. Next question, Kanyakumari experiences an equable climate. Now instead of Kanyakumari, they can ask Mumbai, Goa, Kochi, Trivandrum, Mangalore, Visakhapatnam, Pondicherry, Kolkata. ठीक है, सो आंसर इसका सेम लिखना है, जस्ट चेंज द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस. जो भी क्वेश्चन में पूछा है वो लिखना है. ठीक है, नाउ क्वेश्चन क्या था, कन्याकुमारी एक्सपीरियंस एन इक्विटेबल क्लाइमेट. नाउ इसका आंसर है, इट हैज़ अ कोस्टल लोकेशन, हेंस इट इज अंडर द मॉडरेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द सी, therefore annual range of temperature is low. Okay, इसी से related question, why are Kochi, Trivandrum, Kanyakumari hot throughout the year? They are closer to the equator and hence receive direct rays of the sun throughout the year. Kanyakumari lies at the southernmost tip of India. Next question, the diurnal range of temperature at Bikaner, that is Rajasthan, is greater than at Panaji, Goa. Or they can ask, annual range of temperature is high in desert regions. ठीक है, जो भी क्वेश्चन हो इसका आंसर है, Bikaner lies in a sand covered area. In the absence of soil and vegetation, the sand heats very fast to high temperature and falls suddenly to very low temperature. Due to the dry conditions, there are no clouds. Okay, hence there is rapid isolation during the day and terrestrial radiation during the night, leading to a large range in temperature. Bikaner is also far from the sea and hence it experiences continental climate. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मच ऑफ सेंट्रल महाराष्ट्र और सेंट्रल डेक्कन प्लेटो हैव लाइट रेनफॉल. Now the answer for this is central Maharashtra receives light rainfall from the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoons as it lies in the rain shadow region of Western Ghats. By the time Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon winds cross the Western Ghats, they have very little water as much of the moisture has been shed on the windward side of the Western Maharashtra. Okay. So this is a very important question. So इसका आंसर easy है. Central Maharashtra receives light rainfall from the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon because it lies in the rain shadow region of Western Ghats. By the time Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon winds cross the Western Ghats, they have very little water. यहाँ पे comma डालना है. They have very little water as much of the moisture has been shed on the windward side of the Western Maharashtra. Next question is Nainital cooler than Agra. Now instead of Agra they can ask Delhi, Nagpur, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mysore, Coimbatore, Baroda, Ahmedabad. Okay, and Nainital के जगह सारे hill stations like Ooty, Mussoorie, Shimla, Mahabaleshwar, Srinagar, Darjeeling, Shillong, Dalhousie. ठीक है. So answer for this question is Nainital is away from equator and hence they get indirect rays of the sun which are less intense. Agra being closer to the equator experiences direct rays of the sun. Okay, I have written just the important points. You have to complete the sentence. Okay, Nainital is away from the equator and hence it gets indirect rays of the sun which are less intense. Agra is closer to the equator and hence it experiences direct rays of the sun. Okay, next question. Mumbai receives more rainfall than Chennai. Mumbai lies on the windward side of Western Ghats where the southwest monsoon strike first and shed their moisture. Chennai lies on the east which does not receive any rainfall due to southwest monsoons. Next question. Monsoon is the longest in Kerala and the shortest in Punjab. Okay, now Kerala is the first state to get rainfall due to its southernmost location and the last state from where it withdraws. Punjab being located in the north, Punjab being located in the north is the last state for monsoons to reach and the first place from where it withdraws. Next question. Delhi receives less rain than Kolkata. Both places receive rainfall from the Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoons. They blow from southeast to northwest. Kolkata lies on the east of Delhi, so it gets more rainfall. Delhi gets less rainfall as the winds dry up as they progress towards Delhi. Next question. Mumbai receives rainfall during summer while Chennai in October to December. So again you have to write the same thing. वही questions अलग-अलग तरीके से repeat हो रहा है. So Mumbai is situated along the west coast of India and receives rainfall from the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoons from June to September. Tamil Nadu is parallel to the Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoons. It lies in the rain shadow region of the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoons. Chennai being on the east coast of Bay of Bengal receives most of its rainfall from the winter monsoon या फिर you can say northeast monsoons which blow during these months. Next question. Mumbai is warmer than Kanpur in December. Mumbai is located on the coast and hence enjoys a maritime climate. Kanpur is located in the interior and hence enjoys a continental climate. In winter, it is very cold in continental interior regions while coastal regions have a moderate winter. So, इस type का कोई भी similar questions आ गया. So, you have to write like this. Okay. Next question. West Rajasthan receives no rain from the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon winds. Again ये question already हम लोग कर चुके हैं. When the monsoon winds pass over the western parts of Rajasthan, that is Thar desert, they become warmer due to high temperature and increase their capacity to hold moisture instead of shedding moisture. Okay, Aravalli Hills run parallel to the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon and hence do not act as barriers. By the time Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoons reach western Rajasthan and they cross the Aravallis, they shed all their moisture and are dry. Okay, So same thing, Jodhpur enjoys desert climate. So Jodhpur being situated near the Thar desert, and you have to write the same answer. ठीक है? So this is very important. So ये जो मैंने points में लिखा है इसे अच्छे से याद कर लेना. Okay? So I hope ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया रहेगा. सो यू कैन डू दीज नोट्स. रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के लिए जो मैंने अभी इस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है उतना भी करके जाओगे. दैट्स मोर दैन इनफ. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.